The large handle is equipped with four working heads of different materials. Convex shell rolling rod working head. Silicone roller working head. Bead type roller working head. Aluminum alloy roller working head. Small handle with 3 different working heads. Small silicone roller head. Small handle base. Medium working head. Small working head. Disc silicone ball working head. 15.6 inch 4K ultra thin ultra clear large screen. Screen bracket. Screen bracket. Universal wheel. Handle bracket. Clothing used for treatment. Install 4 wheels. Assemble the screen, align the screen bracket to the corresponding position and fix it with screws. After the screen is assembled, install it on the corresponding position of the machine and fix it with 4 screws. Assembling the handle bracket. Install the handle. Press the push button when installing the handle. When the button pops up, it proves that the installation is complete. Big handle on the left. On the right is the small handle. Choose the big handle and enter the page. Screen displays in order. Treatment time, speed, forward rotation, reverse rotation, forward and reverse combined rotation. The treatment time is up to 99 minutes. And the speed is up to 100%. Forward and reverse combined rotation. Reverse 15 seconds, forward 15 seconds. Forward rotation. Reverse rotation. Forward and reverse combined rotation. Forward 15 seconds. Reverse 15 seconds. During the operation of the handle, the speed, we choose the small handle and enter the page. Treatment time, speed. The treatment time is up to 99 minutes. And the speed is up to 100%. Forward rotation, reverse rotation, forward and reverse combined rotation. Forward rotation. Reverse rotation. Forward and reverse combined rotation. Forward 5 seconds. Reverse 5 seconds. The handle is working and running. It can be customized according to the customer's situation, regulating speed. When applied to the face, for different treatment areas, combined with the disc-shaped silicone roller working head, the recommended treatment time for clients is 25 minutes. 30% faster. When applied to the neck, for different treatment areas, combined with the small silicone roller working head, The recommended treatment time for clients is 15 minutes. %. The recommended treatment time for clients is 15 minutes. %. When it is applied to the body, especially the part with thick abdominal fat, after adjusting the parameters, during the operation, wear a shapewear on the operation part, stick the work stick tightly to the operation part, and roll repeatedly on the treatment part. Suggested client treatment time is 20 minutes. 50%. First, use the 360-degree mechanical rotating massage head for about 15 minutes of massage and combing, and then use the aluminum alloy rolling rod working head for 15 to 20 minutes of treatment to deeply detoxify, decompose subcutaneous fat tissue, improve lymphatic drainage and increase blood circulation, and relieve muscle stiffness and soreness, to eliminate cellulite, reduce cellulite and shape contours. The recommended treatment time for clients is 15 minutes. %. When it is applied to the part with thick fat in the legs, after adjusting the parameters, during the operation, the body-shaping clothing should be worn on the operation part, the working rod should be tightly attached to the operation part, and rolled repeatedly on the treatment part. Suggested client treatment time is 20 minutes. 50%. First, use the 360-degree mechanical rotating massage head for about 15 minutes of massage and combing, and then use the silicone roller rod for 15 to 20 minutes of treatment to deeply detoxify, decompose subcutaneous fat tissue, improve lymphatic drainage and increase blood circulation, and relieve muscle stiffness and soreness. Achieve the effect of eliminating cellulite, reducing cellulite and shaping the contour.